In terms of how you scale your AM process, it really relates to how you take a prototype and a research and a proof of concept type operation and scale it to a level that a manufacturer or customer has comfort that you can deliver reliably with volume. Scalability is extremely important because anytime you have a technology like AM, which is in the early stage of adoption, most people in the industry do not operate at scale. And so you have the risk of taking something that works well on a lab basis or a prototype basis or a small scale basis and having it fail as you try to scale it up and fill the entire supply chain and deliver reliably at large volume. Burloak's uniquely positioned because it's partnered with Samuel. So in part, we deliver this incredible leading edge technology at Burloak, and behind that you have Samuel that operates at scale across all sectors, aerospace, automotive, energy. So we have a weird combination of a technology leader and a company that knows how to scale globally. I'm Colin Osborne. I'm the president and CEO of Samuel Son & Company, and we think that additive manufacturing and Burloak Technologies is really going to be one of the cornerstones in manufacturing.